This is so weird. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm alive and I'm well. It's been a hot minute since I have last filmed a video for you guys, but long story short, I decided to take a last minute break, and that break turned out to be a couple months. Yeah, but I'm back. I'm ready to talk skincare and makeup, so let's get started. So as you may already know, based off of the title of this video, today I'm going to be talking about some underrated Korean skincare products brought to you by Stylevana. If you guys have never heard of Stylevana, they are an online website that specializes in Korean fashion and skincare. They carry a wide variety of brands including Shiseido, CosRX, Misha, 3CE, so don't forget to check them out after this video. I'll leave all their links down below in the description box, and I also have to mention they offer these products at very affordable prices, so don't forget to check them out. So the products I want to show you guys is actually from a brand called Frudia, and I may be late to this brand, but I think the first encounter I had with it was when I was at a TJMAXX. And I ended up picking up a couple of the toners and serums, but it was just pretty cool seeing Korean skincare products there. So if you guys have never heard of this brand before, they've been around for quite some time, and their name actually derives from two words, which is fruit and the Greek word dia, which means like by or of. So essentially the whole name means derived from fruit. What I love about this brand is that they're very like natural based. So the whole purpose is to take fruit nutrients and incorporate other components to create products such like this to promote healthier looking skin. So now this blueberry set that I have, all of it contains blueberry extract, which we all know is rich in antioxidants, but it also contains butane, which is a hydrating component, and it's a major component in this product that keeps your skin hydrated, and it also helps with like reducing fine lines and wrinkles as well. So I'm gonna start with a toner because usually this is what I would start with my skincare. And this is the Blueberry Hydrating Toner. And I just love the packaging. I just think it's so adorable. Like, just look at this cap. First off, the smell is a very like perfumey kind of scent, but it still smells really, really good. As far as consistency goes, it's just like a normal toner. So it's not too light and it's not too heavy. Dripping, but yeah, that's basically what it looks like. I have makeup on, but I'm just gonna, I don't want to waste it. I really like how it smells, and the thing is with these products, they look heavy, but they apply actually really good. But essentially this just works like a regular toner. The only thing that's different is obviously the ingredients and components, but if you guys don't know what toner does, it just evens out the hydration level on your skin. I should mention that it absorbs really good too, so it doesn't leave your skin feeling like really sticky after. Okay, so next up we have is the Blueberry Hydrating Serum. Now this also has the same purpose of hydrating your skin, but it also gives you a really nice supple glow after you apply it. And again, like, it might look kind of heavy, but it applies on really light. So it looks just like a typical serum, but it applies on really watery. So like, it just looks really watery. And it has like the same like scent. It just smells so good. But it's almost as light as the toner almost. How many ounces is this? Oh, this is 50 grams. The toner has 6.59 ounces of product in it, so you get a really good amount of product for the price that you pay for it. So lastly is the Blueberry Hydrating Intensive Cream, which is so adorable. Look at that cute packaging. I'm just so obsessed with their packaging. It's so cute. It looks thick, like the product itself looks thick because obviously it doesn't move, but it actually applies on really light, and I was very surprised. How much product? Oh, I can't see. 0.35 ounces. Let me show you guys. This applies really nice, and this would be the last step of the skincare routine because this particular product is gonna act like a barrier to keep everything in, or lock everything in, I should say. So, okay, there you go. See how fast it was? You can't even see it, like it totally absorbed right in my hand. So now as far as skin types go, this is directly targeted towards dry and normal skin. So I'm sorry for those of you that struggle with oily skin, this is not going to be a product for you. So I think that's pretty much it for my review slash unboxing slash introduction to the brand Frudia. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and found it informative. Again, a special thank you to Stylevana for sponsoring this video and sending me these products to review for you guys. They're also cool enough to give me a coupon code to get 10% off of your order, which I will leave right here and down below in the description box. So don't forget to use that when you're checking out. But I think that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!